Hello, we are here at Bangbang, the Asian fast food at Colinder area. Accessible lang siya sa mga buses like 142 going to Brencos or Watford, 32 bus going to Edgware. Marami ditong pagpipilian, malulula ka sa dami ng food. From Malaysian, Japanese, Vietnam, Singaporean, Chinese, Korea, Indian, Thailand, and Philippines. Maganda dito, mag-bonding with the family and friends. Usually, pag weekdays, kaunti lang ang mga tao. While weekend yan, siguradong mahirap maghanap ng vacant table. Malapit lang siya sa Longfeng Chinese shop at Morrison and Asda. No problem ang parking kasi napakalawak ng area. Dito na hanap muna kami ng masarap na food. Dito is like this is a Korean one. Yeah, parang napunta kami sa Bali Grill and Asia Cuisine. Dito usually ang food nila is nagre-range lang sa 12 to 13 pounds 99 each plate. Pero malaki na yun ha. That is good for 2 person na kakain kung talagang kaunti lang kakainin talaga. Kung hindi ka nagda-diet, malakas kang kumain, well, this is yours place. Then dito na sa Filipino street food, yung Pinoy Bites, dito nag-order yung anak ko ng burger still. Pero medyo pricey ang burger nila dito ha. Pero anyway, kakainin is nothing to worry. Okay, then tingin-tingin lang din kami. Dito is ito I think this is a Japan. It's a Thailand cuisine naman dito. Then ito ay Chinese delicacies. They're traditional Chinese. Then 168 dim sum dito. And then mayroon din ditong after mong kumain, may mga dessert din dito ha. Pwede ka na rin mag-order. Is around 5 pounds ang pinakamataas I think. And then mayroon silang Indian dessert also. Ang daming papipilian talaga dito. Talagang super busog ka pag umuwi ka talaga. Yan na. At nag-aantay kami ng order namin. Binibigyan kami nung tumutunog na kung mag-order ka, ready to pick up. At ito na, yung ramen, dulsot bibimbap, at saka ito yung from sa Hakka. Then yung last order naman yung sushi. At happy naman yung mga boys ko. Until next gala. Bye!